My video will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups related to the website QArticle.com. QArticle.com is a malicious site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers. It basically tries to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by QArticle.com, don't tolerate them. These pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive, so just leave this page and don't install whatever the pop-up promotes. I additionally recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to fully identify and then eliminate all other types of threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to get your device fully fixed. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.